Okay, it's the 17th of January, 2013. This is a little demo on how to test a sensor on your gumball Gizmo. I have this little meter here, which is the kind that they sell at Radio Shack for about $20. You can also get a digital meter. This is a nice one. They're about $150. However, you can buy $20, $30, $40 ones that have digital readouts, which were probably sufficient for this test. But I'm going to go ahead and do it with the cheapo meter. You also have these alligator clip leads, the kind that have little insulation around the end and an alligator clip. All right? And I just clip those right to the end of the meter lead so that that's a permanent solution. In other words, you'll be able to connect this up and take your hands off of it. Okay? The first thing you do is you set your meter on a scale that's sufficient. This is set to the 50-volt scale. You can also put it on the 2.5, but the 50-volt scale, with a little bit, you read the instructions, you can see that up to 5 there is halfway, or that little 10, it'll go halfway up there if you're reading 5 volts. I'm going to put it on the board on this Gizmo. It's not going to be the same as probably the one you have, but it'll still work. Right in this corner is the lead for the ground. You clip it right on there and leave it. If your board looks like this, which it should look more like that, you just clip it right onto the ground. Make sure it's not hanging over any other components. Okay, that's the first lead. The second one, the red one, your positive lead, will then clip to the test area right back here. You can see where that is. That will give you the 5 volts on your meter. I'm going to go ahead and connect it up inside. We should see the 5 volts. All right, so there's the ground position, and there's the 5-volt position. Clip it on, and you can see that the meter is now reading 5 volts. It's halfway to the 10 on that scale of 50. Right, and it says 50 right here. If you turn it to the 2.5 scale, it pegs. It goes right off. Right off. You don't want to do that. That's just overdriving the meter. Right, that's the first segment.